I'm gonna show you how to make money online with just one click. This tool helps repurpose long form videos into short clips. And what does this mean? This means you can post these videos on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or even Facebook and Twitter. And you can post your affiliate links there, and you can make lots of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. Of course, there are other ways you can make money with this, but the best is obviously affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. So you're gonna come to YouTube and you're gonna search podcast. The reason why we're searching podcast is because this method is best with videos that are longer than 15 minutes. This is because the tool is able to take this long video and break it down into short videos. This tool is an AI tool and it's gonna do all the work for you. So you're gonna come to YouTube and you're gonna find the podcast that you want to use according to the niche that you are in. And you'll be able to see that there are other people who are already doing this, then they're making lots and lots of money with this. Like for example, when you come to YouTube and search a channel like this called Money Moth, they have 94.4k subscribers, and you can see that their shorts, this is not even their content. They're making none of this content, but they're taking long form videos and breaking them down into short videos. You can see their videos of various people here like Logan Paul, and you can see that they have so many views, meaning these people are getting lots of views in their videos. And you can imagine if you just put your affiliate link there, you're gonna be earning lots and lots of thousands of dollars each and every day. Another example of a channel that is doing this is Ben Lionel Scott, and in this example you can see that this person has 2.81 subscribers, and they're doing this for their short content, and they're also doing this for their long form content. So you can definitely see that people are already doing this, and it's definitely proven to work. So I'm gonna choose one podcast that I'm gonna use for this example. So this podcast is Joining Jackass with Rachel Wolfson, and you can see that it's 1 hour and 42 minutes long. This means that this tool is gonna be able to break this video down because it's long enough, and it's gonna form 10 plus viral clips that you can post in various social media platforms. So what you wanna do when you come here and choose the podcast that you want, you're gonna come up here and copy this link. And what you wanna do after copying this link is, if you're enjoying this video, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I come up with. So after copying this link, you're gonna come to this website called opus.pro, and you can see that Opus Clip, it takes one long video and makes 10 viral clips, and it does this in only 15 minutes or so, in a very short time. And what you're gonna do after copying the link from YouTube, you're gonna come and paste the link here. And you can see here, take note, you can see that the example of videos that perform well are video podcasts, educational videos, and you can see all these videos that work well. But this method doesn't work well with vlogs, gaming videos, and music videos. So what you're gonna do is click on Get Free Clips. So when you click on Get Free Clips, this tool is gonna take its time and it's gonna provide for you these various short clips, and it's gonna even give you titles, amazing titles, and captions. These videos are gonna have captions on them, and they're gonna captivate your audience. And if you wanna play around with the captions and the colors, and you're gonna be able to edit and play around with the colors of the captions and even the titles, and you can customize it to however you want if you want to do so. And on this tool, you're gonna be able to do this for free for the first 120 minutes of videos, and you're gonna be able to get 30 clips for free. So you see, you're gonna have enough time to use this software before they start charging you, because you can see they have a free trial and you'll be able to get 30 clips for free. And this is a really amazing deal, and you can do a lot with these clips because you're gonna have 1 month of content or even more, because one long video, 1 hour 20 minutes or more, it's gonna break down into short clips, even more than 15 clips, and you can post these videos on different social media platforms, and you're gonna earn lots and lots of money. So after the tool has already finished generating these clips for you and you are satisfied with them, you're gonna take these clips, you're gonna download them and upload them on your different social media platforms that you're targeting. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna come to an affiliate platform and you're gonna choose the products that you want to promote. So you're gonna come to a platform like ClickBank, or if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use other platforms like Digistore, Warrior Plus, or JVZoo. So for this example, I'm gonna use Digistore because Digistore is available all over the world. Or also another thing to mention is that Opus Clip is not available in other regions of the world, but it's definitely available in the United States. So when you come to Digistore, you're gonna click on Marketplace. When you come to the Marketplace, you'll be able to see various products that you can promote. So let's say, for example, your niche is internet marketing and e-business. You're gonna come here and it's gonna sort by earnings per sale. And what this does, it sorts the products by the commissions that are the highest. For example, you're gonna come and click this promote now button. When you click this promote button, it's gonna give you a special affiliate link that you're gonna be able to promote this product. And when someone purchases this product, for example, one person purchases this product, you're gonna earn $210. And if 10 people purchase this product, out of all the viewers that you get, even if it's 0.1% of the people that view your content, if 10 people purchase, you're gonna get $2,100 per day. And you can see another product like this one. When one person purchases this product from your link, you're gonna get $412. If it's 10 people, you're gonna get $4,000 every day. Can you imagine that? So it's proven that you're gonna make a lot of money. And REPURPOSE clip is gonna give you a virality score, which is gonna guarantee you that every clip that you post on social media, it's gonna go viral. So after getting your affiliate link, you're gonna transform this ugly link, because you know your affiliate link, it's gonna be a long ugly link. You're gonna take that long link and take it to a website that you're gonna shorten this link, and it's gonna look even better. And platforms like this are like Bitly. This is a URL shortener, and it's gonna shorten your long URL into a short URL that you can put in the description of your videos. Another link shortener you can use is TinyURL, or you can also use Linktree. The reason I like Linktree is because you can put various affiliate products on this platform. You can put various affiliate products. So when you sign up and you have an account, you're gonna put various affiliate products, and you're gonna get a special link, and this link you're gonna place it in the bio of your social media platforms. And when someone clicks on that link and buys an affiliate product from your link, you're gonna get commissions, and you're gonna earn a lot of money. And you can see on TikTok, this account is already doing this. You see they have 10.3 thousand followers, and you can see that their content, they have repurposed long form videos. None of this is their content, and all of this is legal because no account has ever been cancelled on any social media platform after doing this. So you can see they have lots and lots of views on each of their videos. And when someone comes and clicks this link on their bio, you see they also have a link on their bio. So they're using this method, and they're earning using affiliate marketing. And they're obviously earning lots of thousands of dollars each and every day. Another example of an account that is doing this is Bigger Tomorrow on Instagram. You can see they're also repurposing long form videos, and they have lots and lots of views. And you can see that on their bio they also have that link tree, that when you click on this link, you're gonna go to a platform that they have the affiliate products. When someone buys, they're gonna earn commissions, and they're gonna make lots and lots of money. So all you gotta do is just go to YouTube, take a long form video, and take it to REPURPOSE clip, and it's gonna give you these viral clips, and you're gonna be making lots and lots of affiliate sales, and you're gonna be making lots of money online. But if you're serious about making money online and you want to be earning $10,000 to $30,000 within the next 30 days, go to the first link in the description of this video, and you'll be able to get access to a done-for-you affiliate marketing business that you're gonna earn 100% commissions, and you're gonna get mentorship for an entire year, and you're guaranteed that you're gonna be making $10,000 to $30,000 within the next 30 days. So if you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, or you really want to make money online, don't forget to go to the first link in the description of this video, and you will change your life. So don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.